Hello everyone and welcome again to another edition of Learning with Rich. So for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to create a lighting circuit. So this is kind of continuation for my last exercise, which is creating the lighting switches. So this time I'm going to teach you how to create a lighting circuit. Okay, I also teach you last time how to create a receptacle circuit. Okay, you just need to review the videos that I have uploaded, but I already teach you how to do that. So this time I'm going to teach you how to create a lighting circuit. Actually, again, I already shown this before, but I'm going to teach you again with this another model that I got from lynda.com upon subscribing. And the trainer for this is Mr. Eric Wing. He's quite a excellent teacher, all right, in Revit. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, my current view is at level 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is these lighting fixtures that I have placed from my previous exercises, I'm going to connect that to this panel, which is LP1. Alright, so LP1. So I'm going to connect these electrical fixtures to my LP1. Alright, so to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the lighting fixture, and then as you can see from the create systems, I can create here a power circuit. The other one is I can create a switch circuit. So on my next exercise, I'm going to teach you how to create a switch circuit. But for this one, so I'm going to select here power to create a power circuit. So I'm going to create a circuit now. So I'm going to select this. Okay, and then after that, I select here edit circuit. I click this one. And then by default, add to circuit is selected. So I'm going to select now the other lighting fixture that I want to be included to my circuit, which is this one. So as you can see, total now is 2. Okay, and then after that, I need to select here the panel that I want, where I want to connect my lighting fixture. So I select panel, and then I'm go ahead and select this one. All right. And then you will now see here LP-1 is now selected. Actually, you can also click drop down here and then you can select the panel if you want. So that is another option. So after that, I select here finish editing circuit. Okay. So if I'm going to hover my pointer over the lighting fixture without selecting it, if I press tab once, you will notice it will highlight now the connection. So if I'm going to click this and then check out the properties, so you will see that the load name is this one. Let me just change the name here. Okay, so I'll just call the load name Office 101 and then I select here apply. Alright, so same procedure. I'm going to connect these two lighting fixtures to this lighting panel. So again, same procedure. So I click power circuit, edit circuit. Okay, add to circuit is selected. So I'm now go ahead and select this one. Okay, and then lighting panel is already selected. The panel is already selected. Let me just again modify this. Okay. All right. Then I select here apply. Okay, so now that I have connect this, alright, so I'm now going to select finish. So again, you hover your pointer and then you press tab once and then you click. So it will now highlight the circuit. The name of the load panel, the load is space 9. Okay, so I'm just going to select this space here and then check out the name. So I just need to change here the name. So I just need to follow the room number and room name. So this is 102. The other one is reception. All right. Okay, and then I'm gonna hover again my pointer, press tab, click. So this is my reception. So just to tidy up our model, our project. Okay. So next, how about the space here? Let me just select the space here. Okay, so it's all right. So it's now correct. So it's office. Okay, so I'm gonna select one of the lighting fixture, create a power. Okay, and then edit circuit. The procedure is the same. You just need to redo again or repeat the procedure. So I'm going to add this, add this one, and then the total number is 4 now, and then the panel is LP-1. Then I select here, finish editing circuit. Okay, so I'll just hover my pointer, press tab, click. Okay, let me just change this again. Okay, we need to tidy up our model. Okay, so after that, alright, how about this one? So I need to connect this also. So I'm going to select this power circuit, and then edit circuit. I want to add this. I want to add this one. You add this, and then make sure LP1 is selected, and then finish editing circuit. Okay. So again, hover your pointer, press tab, I click, and then you just need to check. Okay, the name here is space 1, so let me just select the space here. Okay, this one. Okay, so it's only room, so I just change here. This is room. Oops. Alright. Just select OK. Alright, then after that, hover your pointer, press tab, and then click. Let me just change all of this to room. Okay. Okay, so there you go. So that's how you create your lighting circuit. So it's not that difficult. So just make sure the family that you are going to use for your lighting fixture, make sure there is a connector. Otherwise, if there is no connector to that family, you will not be able to connect, or you will not be able to create a power circuit or switch circuit. And also, I want you to take note that if I select again the lighting fixture, you will notice that power here already disappeared because this element is already part of the power circuit. So the only one left here is the switch circuit. So if you want to create a switch circuit, which we are going to create later on, so you just need to select this one. Okay, but at the moment, so that is our exercise on how to create your lighting circuit. So hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or question, you can just put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and once again, this is Richard from Learning with Rich. Have a nice day.